and welcome. You're watching NewsX and I'm Megha Sharma. Following the government's tabling of the 3 anti-corruption bills in Lok Sabha, a massive furore from the opposition has met Home Minister Amit Shah's announcement inside and outside of the parliament, as the opposition members allege that these bills endanger the checks and balances prescribed in the constitution, and the government is attempting to pass these bills in a hurry. The government is focusing on its record of good, clean and transparent governance for all, saying that the reason behind these amendment bills is that any person jailed for over 30 days cannot maintain public office. We have a special guest joining us today, Mr. Siddharth Luthra, who is a former ASG. Thank you very much for joining me. And actually, before we dive deep into this discussion, I'll go to my special guest in just a short while. We would like to take a look at what are the amendments, what are the 3 bills that have been tabled by the Home Minister today, what could be the consequences of these bills once they are passed, and why is the opposition up in arms against this suggestion that has been made, the bill that has been tabled in the parliament today. Let's take a look at the first bill. It's called the 130th Constitution Amendment Bill 2025. It deals with the Prime Minister and the Union Ministers as well as Chief Minister and Ministers of Delhi. And what the bill entails is, in fact, before we go in deeper into it, there's this it says if an arrested and a detained minister stays in jail for 30 consecutive days, they will have to resign or be automatically removed from their position of power. This is applicable for those who are arrested for an offence punishable with imprisonment of at least 5 years. The person may be subsequently appointed back to the post upon the release from custody. All right, so this is in fact this bill, the first bill of the 3 amended bills that have been tabled, seeks the amendment of Articles 75, 164 and 239 AA to provide the legal framework for the amendments that are proposed in the bill. The bill will also need special majority, which is 2/3 of the parliament, to pass it. Let's take a look at this second bill, and these are bills particularly first regards to New Delhi. There is a bill of the amendment of the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Act. Let's take a look at Government of Union Territories Amendment Bill 2025. It deals with the Ministers and Chief Minister of Union Territories particularly. Again, the rules are the same in this bill as well. If the arrested if arrested and detained for 30 consecutive days, the minister will have to resign or will be automatically removed from his or her post. In fact, it's applicable for those who are arrested for an offence punishable with imprisonment of at least 5 years. And let's take a look at the other aspects of this bill, particularly with regards to the Union Territories Amendment Bill. And now talking about the tabling of the 3 anti-corruption bills and what in fact are the objectives and reasons behind it. The elected representatives expect to act in public interest and not their personal vested interests. In fact, the minister's character is expected to be beyond a ray of suspicion, is what the Home Minister today has said on the floor of the House. The minister facing allegations of serious criminal offence may hinder canons of constitutional morality. And the minister facing allegations of serious criminal offence may thwart the principles of good governance. So these are all the points that have been made by the Government of India for what it now wants to do in the parliament to pass these 3 bills. In fact, the minister facing the allegation of serious criminal offence may diminish the constitutional trust of the people is one of the many important reasons and very valid reasons that have been given by the Home Minister. All right.